upside her head and let her know my people thick. She gon' try to make it look as if you going out like a hoe. Never think twice about a bitch, cause when you pimp it, then you know. Don't get caught up with no bullet bitches. Try to get your head, make it, break it, take that hoe and have that hoe get your bread. Rearrange the situation, clock your dough and think before. Always stay a step ahead and make her make your cash flow. Get that bitch a big nigga, keep that hoe up on the call. Let her know that what you saying is gon' be best for both of y'all. Take her money, leave her hanging, pimp that bitch and get your G. Think that bitch gon' get my man, man, fuck that shit, man. Running game is what I do, the pimp and make my business be. Disrespect my pimpin' nigga, I'm gon' have to spit your weed. See I'm pimpin', make my money, making on bitches, that's my two. Get your hoe up out my face, cause I'm banking these fools. Shorty, pimp my nigga shoot round, bitch. All up in the club, start to sweat up on a fine tree. Once I get the sucking from the bitch, I get a phone call. Shorty pimps in trouble, jump into my car, I got a